When I was fed up with juggling Google Sheets, email chains, and sticky notes just to manage contacts, I knew I needed a CRM, but didn't expect HubSpot to become the glue that held my whole day together. So I spent weeks using it. Here's what really stood out. HubSpot CRM pitches itself as a no-code, all-in-one customer management hub, where marketing, sales, and service tools come together on a single platform. It starts free and builds into premium tiers if you need advanced automation. Let's unpack what makes the free version so compelling, what upgrades bring to the table, and who it's actually for. Where do I even begin? The fact that the CRM is robust and truly 100% free forever, with unlimited users and up to 1 million contacts, is almost unheard of business.com. You get customer tracking, deal pipelines, tasks, and dashboards, plus extras like email tracking, meeting scheduling, and even live chat and payment links, without touching your wallet. HubSpot. Onboarding HubSpot was surprisingly painless. The guided setup, templated pipelines, and intuitive UI made it feel like I was building immunity to tool fatigue instead of enduring it. When your team and needs grow, HubSpot scales up, but so does the cost. The starter plan, at roughly $20 per seat monthly, or $15 with annual billing, adds essential tools like remove branding, automation, and live chat routing. Just be warned, when you bump into limits, HubSpot quietly nudges you to the pricier professional, starting near $890 per month. Hidden behind the CRM's sleek interface is smart automation. It nudged my leads based on behavior, surfaced recommended follow-ups, and even helped with content generation. The analytics dashboard kept insight close, linking activity signals with real-time pipeline performance, email vendor selection. Given how siloed data usually is, this felt like giving your team a shared brain instead of another spreadsheet. HubSpot's free tier is uniquely generous and beginner-friendly, still earning it top mention in TechRadar's 2025 free CRM list. It's ideal for startups or teams wanting everything in one platform without disruption. That said, once you outgrow the free tools, pricing jumps steeply. The leap to the higher tiers can be a real pinch for SMBs. Some users also point to limited email templates or basic design flexibility as shortcomings at the free level. And while onboarding is solid, the platform's breadth can feel overwhelming without deliberate setup. HubSpot CRM earns praise for its accessible, full-featured free version paired with a modern interface. If you're stepping out of spreadsheets, organizing client conversations, or building sales pipelines without fear of cost, it's hard to beat. But if your growth trajectory leads to advanced marketing workflows or campaign analytics, brace for higher costs or be ready to strategize your usage. So here's the take. HubSpot CRM starts bold with generosity and grows up with options, but only if you're ready to invest in scale. If this helped you sort through CRM chaos, hit like, subscribe, and share below. What CRM feature has bugged you most so far? Let's map a fix together next time.